Now let's understand arithmetic operators. The first one is the addition or the summation. So this addition operator represented by a plus sign adds two numbers. Say for example, we want to add 5 plus 3 and the output will be 8. Similarly, the second is subtraction or denoted by a minus sign, a negative sign. The subtraction, do the subtraction of the second number from the first. So for example, 10 minus 4 subtracts the 4 out of 10 and the result is 6. Similarly, multiplication is denoted in Python by asterisk, and multiplication will multiply the two numbers. So 6 asterisk 7 results to 42. The next is division represented by forward slash, and it divides the first number from the second, and division always result into a floating point number in Python. So even if it is divisible or the first number is completely divisible by the second number, even then we will get a float or a decimal. So in this case, 15 divided by 4 results into 3.75. The other important ones are float division, which is represented by double forward slashes, and it divides the first number by the second and return the integer part of the quotient. So 15 double slash 4 result into 3 because 4 3 are 12. So the complete division is up to 12. After that, we require the decimal or the fraction. So the output for the float division is the 3 because it returns the integer part. The next is modulus, and it is also known as remainder. So it returns the remainder of the division. So in the same case, 15 modulus or percentage 4 results into 3 because if you divide 15 by 4, 4 3 are 12, the remainder is 3. So the output is 3. The next is the exponential. It is denoted by double asterisk, and it is like 2 to the power 3. Say for example, so 2 double asterisk 3, which results into 2 into 2 into 2, and which results into 8. So this is how the exponential is all about, raises the first operand or the number to the power to the second. Now let's understand the syntax of each of the Python arithmetic operator. The first we start with the addition. So it is used to add two numbers. So our two numbers are 10 integer plus 5, and if we want to add these two, the output is 15, which is again an integer. But somehow if I write instead of 5.0, and if I run, the output is also a float. So one thing, so the output of two integers is integer, and an output of either one of them is float or both of them is float is the float itself. So this is about the addition of two numbers. Now come to the subtraction. So similarly, we can use the minus sign to straightforward subtract the second number from the first. So 10 minus 5 gives us a 5 as an answer. And here also the output is integer, right? And if it is 5.0, or even if the first number 10 is 10.0, and if we run, the output is a float. So it doesn't matter whether the first number is float or the second or the both. In case of a float, the output is a float, and if both the numbers are integer, the output is a integer. Now let's come to the multiplication. Now to do multiply, we have to use the asterisk sign. So 10 asterisk 5. Okay, so this gives us the multiplication of 10 into 5. The output is 50. So all these addition, subtraction, and multiplications are very straightforward. Now let's understand the division. So in division, there are four, you can say the options are available. So the first option, if I would like to divide two numbers. So say I want to divide 10 divide by 3. So if I run this syntax, okay, 10 forward slash 3, the output is 3.333333. Okay, so I am getting the complete decimal. Okay, so it has the integer part, the first 3, and I am also getting the output after decimal also. So by using the single forward slash, I am doing the division. Now instead of a single forward slash, let's use the double. So this is called as a float division. So what the float division do? It only give us the integer part. So what is the integer part in the first 3? So let's run this. Now the output is 3. So this 3 is actually this one. Okay. So the complete integer part of the solution during division. So to get, we use the floor division. Now modulus is also known as remainder. So it will give or return the remainder. So 10 modulus or percentage 3. This is called as a modulus operator. The symbol is percentage, right? So let's do 10% 3 or 10 modulus 3. The output is 1. Why 1? Because 10 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, remainder is 1. So that's why we get the output as 1. So this is how we can have by using single forward slash a complete division, by using double forward slash or floor division only the integer solution, okay, and using the modulus or percentage we have a remainder. Now let's understand about the exponential. Now in Python the exponential is denoted by double asterisk. So if we use 2 asterisk asterisk 3, it will give us the output as 8. So the answer is same as if we multiply 2 into 2 into 2. So multiplying 2 3 times gives us the same result. So this is what the power is all about. So exponential or double asterisk gives us the power of the first number, okay, to the power the second number.